Man, she want a man in her life. She sent for me, so be nice, you hear?
Bro, baby, you never heard of it.
For me in the 90s, it was just a wonderful thing. I came, I respect what I saw as the elder artists, them, the Papa San, the Stitchy, Professor Nuts, Super Cat, Shabarangs, you name it. I always want to be like them. You know, you have an idol and you want to say, oh, I want to be like these artists. So me just being myself or trying to be, or do what they're doing. And I just always appreciate what they have done and I always want to do what they're doing. Got my bus when, I would say, when I came to Kingston, I made this dub plate at Jammy's studio. And I used to walk around with it because I made a dub plate singing some regular songs because I want to hear myself playing on a turntable. So I did a dub plate and I went to Mixing Lab studio and I saw the gate man and I was telling him that I'm from the country and blah, blah, blah. And then same time, Roy Francis, who is the owner of Mixing Lab, was passing, going into the studio and the gate man called him and said, Franco, we have a youth that come from country. Roy come, take the dub plate. I remember listen to it, went inside, came back and said, yo, you sound good, man. Come back like just a Sunday. And I came back and from there, I started going to studio. Every producer come hear me. Every producer hear me one voice because him said, this little maga boy with this big voice. So me used to voice with every big producer. And here comes Granny. So Granny was the song that really put me out there where I never did want to release. I begged Danny not to release that song. So yeah, he never listened to me and the rest was history.
Baby, Granny, she calls me everything. Stop following out there. You call me
Just never lie because I was a hardcore artist, so to speak. Me think Granny was just a joke. Just a joke around and saw this gimmicky thing. I mean, me do the thing about not for recording. You know, it's just like, so about being a sing song like Mr. Sweet Nice and them song they were, was hardcore for me. So Granny was just a song, nice but on a meter. I mean, I want to sound like a old lady then, put that way there. But I never wanted to come out. And to be honest with you, is when the song bust, then me accept it. The next day, after I played it today, I knew it was a hit. Like, literally. It's like when it came out, me did shame. When it first time I made me the half a tree, near the clock. And they beside one of those vendors who have the music play and you know, that's there whole vibe. No, nothing to do. I made the song come on. I mean, would literally hold on my head like shame, like, yo, cheese and peace. And I watch the friend there, you know, I mean, there, I see him, I watch him reaction, so me turn and I watch him, and I mean, I'm stall. I'm seeing him stop. And the song go on, really, stop, Palarino. And me him say, what is that? And me him say that. Took off. Because I said, no, but even though say me, I mean, no say me. And everywhere I turn off a tree, me I hear the song. It's like this song couldn't stop playing when it started playing that very day. And the next day, everybody talk about it. Everybody talk about this artist with this granny, right? Because everybody thinks it's a granny that song with you. And it was a challenge though because everybody thinks you're something like a DJ the rest of my life. So for almost 1 year, I have to put up with this granny thing. Yeah, you know, but it was, hey, every time I have to laugh, every time I remember that.
When the girls say what they loving proper.
I really get a chance from Roy Francis now where every producer used to go to Mixing Lab to work. And since I'm voicing for Roy now, them happen to hear me. And everybody come, fatter, also introduce them to me, the engineer, and say, bad artist. And everybody hear me say, yo, they want to voice me, Steely, Cleavy, Danny Brownie. I can't forget the first time I got Bobby Digital. I think me and Tony Rebel went there. And when I went in the studio and said, man, Bobby look up and say, it's who just said, man, a while ago. And I said, it's me. He said, no, man, go back to the door, man, and come back in. So when we walk go to the door, I said, what this man talk about? And come back in and say, man, again, him say, Jesus, because him just find my voice, just, you know, this interesting voice, and that's some sort of voice to Bobby this job.
Mr. Tweet Nice, they are for the girl them.
Well, it's Mr. Do It Nice come change everything. Because me device Mr. Do It Nice, and even when me device it, that wasn't the rhythm where you know Mr. Do It Nice now, that's not the original rhythm. I voiced it on first. It was a much faster rhythm. I think it was a rhythm like Bogle was a fast rhythm. And can't forget me went to the studio and Dave said, yo, Diggy, me want to put that tune upon that rhythm here. I said, what kind of slow rhythm this now, man? When me got challenge like, so when me voice Mr. Do It Nice, at the first time I hear the rhythm in my life. So I teach myself while I voice the song. But through the experience, yeah, so I just, man, she want a man in her life. But now my mind, me say it slow, you know. But I just sing the song, Mr. Do It Nice, they are for the girl there, he nice already. And that was the song that came out after Granny. After Granny just Granny, I'm sure people said, no, Diggy hardcore artist, man. You know, so we always, yeah, say, yeah, thank you, Mr. Do It Nice, which is my song and I'm sing it. Clashing was very interesting. I mean, even myself used to love see artist class, Papa San, Stitchy, Professor, the same artists them who we grew up want to be like. I see them clash, it was very interesting because it was just lyrics, and who can outdo who and who. And Papa Salah always seems to be the one, you know, on top every time, leading. Stitchy was terrible too. Not to mention, everybody was just, so me understand clashing then. When it started to get personal, I think that's when it changed, when people not doing it for fun again. Didn't clash. People actually, yeah, put up the clash with me and Spragga Benz. When me sing a song about, man want a girl with no fight for guitar, Spragga have a girl and them call her Tete. She and Spragga so married, and me take her away, something like that. Then Spragga came out with a song called, no care if a dog got our general, me got step in and face. Everybody say me name general. So everybody start that thing, and I said no. But it's Dave Kelly write the two songs them. So Dave said, boy, him never look on it that way. You know, me hear Dave say that out of my mouth say, him never look on it that way. So yeah, so me just laugh when people that say me and Spragga clash. It was a big thing, but me know say me never want to do nothing like that.
Traffic blocking, y'all come down in our tights and stocking.
Traffic blocking. If me could rewind, I would first thing would I do a copyright the name, because it's me flip the words them because I want to rhyme with tights and stocking, whopping. I'm just so me flip the word traffic blocking, which was blocking traffic, black traffic, and then me just flip the words and then create a word there. So yeah, I should have copyrighted that word, but I still own it if you understand what I mean. For instance, general degree, I said traffic blocking, you have a point finger. So that song was a song with us. Just go with song gone, and I don't even be busy with that again. Just as usual, literally just used to do song and even think about it, just on to the next one. Traffic blocking was one of the songs we used to just play in the juggling. I wasn't the so-called leading song on the rhythm when it just came out. Because, you know, maybe artists used to have more favoritism or people more favorite to that artist or this artist. But we used to just play in the juggling, play in the background, so to speak. And as years pass, and I think that's how traffic blocking become this staple, this standout song worldwide. Today, me close show with it. Anywhere me go, the rhythm come on, it's like it's a brand new song. I go perform now. You know, it reminds me of I like to move it. What are them song there? No people always say, what do you mean my girl that come down in a tights and stocking? Our girl have on tights and stocking at the same time. I said, no. Me couldn't explain to say, some girl come down in a tights, some come down in a stocking. It could have worked one day in the song. So I have to just find a way to say, hey, just say it. Girl come down in a tights and stocking, but it's not one girl. When we say girl, I mean every girl. So some are on tights, some are on stocking. That's what we want to say in the song.
Which island next? Island happen.
Flow different. because I always know that when you're making a transition, you have to basically, move with the time, not like with the time, but there's a way where you sing then and now, or you flow. Still sing song, my latest song is called Island Hopping. I mean, listen to the song, it's just me being just general degree, and I think it still represents me now in this time, in the new era, the new music, what's going on. I can fit in easily with that song, so yeah, I think me doing okay with what I'm doing. I think the 90s music is the best music. It proved that, and not me alone said that, and not me, the world said that. Not even Jamaica where dancehall and reggae create and come from. Over the world, everywhere you go, Panama, Costa Rica, Europe, yeah, everywhere. 90s music stand out. It's showing in them playlists. You can see when them post. You just know, say, this is a music what just, it start everything. It start what is going on today in the new era. So respect that. That's all me I say. It make, because remember, it changed from how it groove. Yes, it used to play boop, boop, but now it swing a different way. But it's still coming from the mother, which is dancehall, 90s music. And I'm not forcing no one to say, oh, you have to love that, because you never, maybe born in them era there, you never grow up, you listen. But when you do your history and you realize, say, okay, I saw it good, all right, respect. And move on, but don't make it look like it never start from there. 90s start everything we are going on dancehall. 90s do that.
A man heart a beat, bodum, 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 bodum.
Traffic blocking, you know what it's all about. Gin and Juice, December 23 at the Ruins, UA. Make sure you're there, general agree so that. You think it a go so when I hold you tonight? Miss I do it nice, they are for the girl them. Gin and Juice. Boop.